Docker WSL2 installation is incomplete. After substituting Docker Desktop on Windows 10 with a more recent version, click to start it and got the following error. WSL2 installation is incomplete. The WSL2 Linux kernel is now installed using a separancy update package. Please click the link and follow the instructions to install the kernel update. This URL. Press restart after installing the Linux kernel. By default, in Settings and GT, General the option Use the WSL2 based engine was already selected. This might be due to me already having Ubuntu 18.04 LTS locally. If I go to Docker Desktop Settings and GT, Resources and GT, WSL Integration. You don't have any WSL2 distro? Please convert a WSL1 distro to WSL2 or install a new distro and it will appear here. How can I get Docker running?
There's two ways you can get it to work. Using WSL2 based engine. Without using WSL2 based engine. 1. Using WSL2 based engine. In this page under download the Linux kernel update package. And then Docker will start just fine. Two. Without using WSL2 based engine. If the goal is just to get Docker running, one can simply start by unchecking the box that says use the WSL2 based engine. This can give the following error. Required Windows features not enabled, Hyper-V. Switch to WSL2 based engine. To enable Hyper-V, this URL. So, in PowerShell 7 run the command. Enable Windows Optional Feature Online Feature Name Microsoft Hyper-V, all. Which requires to restart the computer to complete the operation. Then, when starting Docker again, you can get the following error. Docker failed to initialize. One or more errors occurred. Eventually, just by clicking to start again, Docker will start running.
I had the same error. I just had to update WSL by executing.
Follow guide at this link. You need to enable the Windows subsystem for Linux with command, which enables WSL1.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.